Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on VeChain. The VeChain chart is currently showing a bit of a rally here from the April low, and that's kind of promising. Given that the move to the upside was supposed to be at least a wave 2 in blue. So we wanted to see that rally into the resistance area, and that rally is also currently playing out. Now, it's not really an impulsive looking rally, okay? What we are looking for is either a wave 2 rally as an ABC structure. That's one scenario. I find that very likely. Or another scenario is this 5-wave move to the upside as shown in yellow. These are two pathways in which we were watching for higher prices. And it's important that the market holds a support area in the next pullback, that the next pullback is corrective in nature, which could then act as a setup for higher prices. So we want to talk a little bit about that in this video. Please note that the initial resistance area is here. So we have 4 standard resistance levels to watch: 3.1 cents, 3.8 cents, 4.5 cents, and 5.8 cents as relevant Fibonacci resistance, really. And the market is currently testing the area around the 38.2 retracement at 3.1 cents. So there is a chance at least some kind of a local top could be forming here. And I will talk about that in a minute on the smaller time frames. But please note that for now, the yellow scenario has a chance, which means the development of potentially 5 waves in this yellow wave 1, that's something I'm watching for at least. This is possible, yeah? Now, in this move to the upside, we've seen so far only 3 waves to the upside. I would like to see another higher low in wave 4 and another higher high in wave 5. And this is precisely what I'm currently watching for on the smaller time frame. So let's go to the smaller time frame chart. Obviously, we're talking about smallest structures here, so when you watch the video, maybe things have changed already. But I would explain to you what the absolute key levels are now that need to hold to keep bullish scenarios alive. So as I explained to you, we can see here the blue scenario as well as the yellow scenario. I think at the moment it looks a little bit more like the yellow scenario, which is good to see, okay? In this yellow scenario, we're tracking for a potential 5-wave move up. 1, 2, A, B, C in wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This would look best with one more high. I see this as a pullback potentially in wave 4, and the support area that is now relevant for this internal wave 4 pullback is located between 2.5 cents and 2.8 cents. This is the standard Fibonacci support area for a wave 4 corrective pullback. And it would likely unfold as an ABC structure. And it's absolutely possible that we're now working on this C wave. And again, as long as the 2.58 cent level is holding, we can watch for another high in wave 5. What happens if we break below 2.58 cents? Then I will assume we are already in a larger pullback. But please note that really the invalidation point is here. So there will be 2 more support levels I'm going to watch. The first one is the 2.4 cent level, which is just a swing low below. Also relevant. It is technically possible the market just goes a little bit below Fibonacci support and then reacts to this support level. So this would be the next key level to watch. And then the swing low that formed here on the 16th of April at 2.18 cents. I mean, below that level, it becomes even more probable that this entire upside reversal attempt has failed. But for now, it looks somewhat promising, and the first area of support hasn't even been tested. So should the market sell off a little bit further over the coming sessions, this would be the next support zone to watch. That's the update on VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.